Welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I wanted to show you how to replace one of these small bathroom fans. So the size of this fan is very tiny. It's 8 by 7 1/4. This is the old one. This was probably put in when my house was built 30 years ago, and you could just see that it stopped working. It was running slower, and then the fan kept getting kind of stuck in there. I went and cleaned everything out, and it just quit running eventually. So I went to Home Depot, but I also put a link on Amazon to this. Bought this new fan. It just fits right in place. It just goes right in that housing, and that type of fan is the Broan-NuTone C350BN. This is a 70 CFM. They make a 30, but I got the 70. So once you get the other one out, it's pretty easy. When you pull the casing down, you're going to have these two little things that grip up in there, and they squeeze together. So you're going to want to pull this straight down, and then you squeeze these things and they'll unhook out. So you see how that's kind of put in. And then this had one little screw to it that came out, and I'm looking at the new housing, and I don't actually see a place for this screw unless it goes right up in that little notch right there. But all I got to do is climb up my ladder here and stick this one back up in. So I'm going to do that real quick. I need two hands for that. But I'm going to stick this right back up in this housing so it fits. So I got this started. You can see there's two notches up in here that you're going to have to angle this thing in, and then just push the rest up into the housing. It's a very snug fit. And then you plug this in. Now make sure your switch is off always. I'll put my switch in. I'm going to go ahead and hit the switch. And there we go. So quick, easy fix. You see that took me about 2 minutes, but that's as simple as it is. And then there is the hole for the screw right there. So I'm going to put my screw back in, secure it up in there, and put my housing right back on. You can see the housing has two little notches, one here and one on the other side. So I'm going to put my cover back on, and then that's all you got to do. If you like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to purchase this, there is a link down below. If I can't find one on Amazon, which I should, I'll link to the Home Depot one. It's about 30 bucks from Home Depot, but just a quick fix on a fan in your bathroom.